Okay, so just went down from the top with the Guangzhou line platform. Now it's down in line 3. Line 3 is actually a pretty cool line because I actually have 2 branches. So we're going to Tiyu Xilu, our local station for this time, which is perfect because both directions fine. But one side is going to Tianhe coach terminal, and the other side is the airport at Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, which is pretty cool. Next train is to airport, but for us doesn't matter because that's the stop that I need to get off. So airport north. Now there is actually a spot that's actually covered up right there. That's actually a line 11 stop for Guangzhou East Railway Station, but it is not opened yet for some stupid reasons, which is unfortunate. They opened up the line yesterday, but unfortunately they're not ready with Guangzhou East Station, so that's why it's not open yet for that station. So trains will run through Guangzhou East Railway Station for line 11 without stopping, which is funny, but so packed. Let's get it. We're at the front. Here's the service to the airport. Looks like they actually use 2 different types of trains for this line, but oh boy, so packed. Let's get on board. Earlier on, the last train was pretty bad, the stopping spots. This line is definitely the older line, so that's why. Fortunately, no space here. So we have no choice but to actually just do it like this. So this line actually doesn't have the digital display boards. It's just this, the good old style for these, which is unfortunate. Oh boy, this window sucks, so I have to go here. So even if I got a spot actually on that side there, I won't be able to film through it because it actually has mist on it. Now the funny thing is, I actually have watched an open buy video of this line 3 going to Airport North, so I actually have a little bit of a memory and also a little bit of knowledge about this line. Now the entire line is doors open on the left, so that's why there's no side platforms until the airport. Oh, this is a short trip. It didn't even go all the way through. It started at a middle station of the line over on the other side of the map, instead of from the real terminus of the line. Datang station. I know I didn't move out of the way. That's this window. I literally can't film through it. At least this line actually has some differences in stuff. So it's literally insane frequency. Look at the frequency. 2 minutes for the next train that goes to the coach terminal, the other branch, and then 3 minutes for the next airport service. So it's like literally 1 minute per train on this common section before the branch. This is such a slow service to go to the airport though, bro. No space on the train, so I can't. Might be able to film backwards after this, but Twin Station, change to line 8. And a different color. This line looks pretty cool because of all the different colors that's actually associated with this. Oh, perfect. We can film backwards now. So, for this door I have to film backwards. There's no choice. Because even if I get the other side, it's just a misted out door. So, literally useless. Well, a little bit narrow over here. There's too many people. Next is Canton Tower Station, interchange with the APM line, which I will hopefully try to film the APM line for you guys because it's also one of my local stations on the APM line this time. But it's a longer walk from my hotel than the Tiyu Xilu station. Okay, literally impossible to focus. Because this window is too crap. Oh, this is really hard to film considering it's so packed and so hot in here. And here's next station, pretty basic station. But it's actually one of the destinations to go to. Which I think I will visit the station very soon. We're going to take the APM line. I have no idea what the APM line is. But here we are in our station. That's why it needs to be 1 minute per train for this line. It's impossible if not. This is a long line though. Total of 30 stations, but it's not in a straight line for all the 30 stations, including the branch. So that's why. There's like, I don't know how many stations on the branch. Five stations on the branch, so that means for this main line it's like 30 stations. Oh no, there's actually an extension past the other side, damn. So yeah, it's around 30 stations for this service. So that's why I hate they actually give the code to the station. Because when you actually need to extend it past like the original terminus that you name as number 1, that's gonna be weird because they name because the original terminus is actually where this service started, but they have extended 4 extra stations past the original terminus. So that's why they name it 3 is the line number, so it's just gonna be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4 for the 4 extended stations. Then reach back to number 1 for the original terminus. So that's so bad. Okay, one more station we're getting off. This is pretty suffocating in here. Here is, what is the station? Zhujiang Xincheng. Okay. It's like a shopping mall area. Okay, cut. Bunch of people didn't get on, but there's more services coming, so no problem. One more station to our stop. Change from line 5 for this line, for this station. Oh boy, this is so packed I cannot even actually film through. Next is Tiyu Xilu station, which I think there should be an announcement saying change trains to, of course, line 1, and also maybe the other direction service. Tiyu Xilu.
The next station is Tiyu Xilu.
No, they're not actually mentioning you can change to the other branch of the line 3. Oh, here it is. But you can't hear it, but I heard it, so. This is a really bad video, but at least it can, oh my gosh. I'm out of here. We are out of here because this is the changing station for line 1, which is like also one of the busiest line. Alright, let's get off. I'm out. There's the 2 branches up there. 2 different stations. It's where I branch off, so that's why. And changing shifts as well over here. For the drivers, changing shift. On both sides, actually. Oh my gosh. Oh. There are 2 platforms for the trains going towards airport. Going towards airport, there's like 2 platforms for them. This platform is for both of the branches. Yes, this platform is for both branches. And then we have the airport only platform over here, and this platform is the short trips that starts from here only towards airport, and then across this Spanish platform right here for this short trip platform, and then the furthest away platform is the other direction platform. That is so cool, this station, with the amount of stuff, because it's so packed and they definitely need the short trips. That's a really useful short trip platform in the middle. Considering it's a Spanish platform, you can continue to which direction you need. Oh, that's so nice. But we're out of here. You can see the trains on the other side, way back there. Wow, that's really suffocating inside the train there. But considering how useful this line is going to the airport and also some of the coach terminal, which is also important. So, hope you guys enjoy this one. Now, see you guys tomorrow for the next day journeys. Collect all these videos up top, and peace.